Hey guys, Darkder here. Hope you are doing good. Today I'm going to show how I turned this random guy to this. I have done many similar artworks before. Make sure to check them out on my Instagram page. Oh, by the way, I added this image link in the description. You can try it out. In the end of the video, I'm revealing 3 top Instagram posts for this week. So make sure to watch the full video. So yeah, let's get it.
So let 'em take me to villain. Some of this just may be a symptom of having way too much income. But when you struggle every day.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move.
to make you smile, and you need me to hold you close, and all your fears that you dream of will disappear and flutter on. Whoa, hold on just a little. We'll meet right here in the middle ground is where we'll stand. Let go of the brittle, 'cause you'll find life is a riddle that we're not meant to understand. Hold on, stop. Hold on, stop. Just look on, and I'll look down, and all your fears have run aground. Then you said, all I ever wanted was to love like this. All I ever needed was to feel like something more than a closed door flat on the floor. I can offer so much more. All I ever wanted was to feel at ease. All I ever needed was to get up off my feet. 'Cause I believe in love. Hold on just a little. We'll meet right here in the middle ground is where we'll stand. Let go of the brittle, 'cause you'll find life is a riddle that we're not meant to understand. Hold on, stop. Hold on, stop. Hold on. Right here. Hold on. Right.
So here is the final result. Leave your thoughts in the comments. So now let's move on to Darkder. If you want to get featured in my next video, make sure to use #Darkder in your upcoming post. And yeah, that's it for today. Hopefully, I'll see you guys soon.